right, 7:18 your time on this Tuesday. Looking back yesterday for a perspective here, we hit 93. That was my forecast. The average should be 86. So yes, we're running way above that. But it's not unusual because this time of the year we can get well into the 90s. We've done it before. Yesterday on that specific date, we had made it to 96 for a record high in 1944. So the record was safe, but it definitely was still toasty. Average low is 65. Yesterday morning we were at 73. So let's compare things across the rest of the area. Yesterday we peaked out mainly in the low 90s, but there were a few areas that were mid-90s. Monticello, Somerset, even over in Flemingsburg yesterday. Harlan was even in the mid-90s. Mid-90s even in McKee. So today, I think we could add another degree to those temperatures from yesterday. Or we're going to be right there in that ballpark. A lot of mid-90s, I think, later today. Low 70s right now, so we have cooled a little more than where we were this time yesterday in Lexington, at least. This high pressure is just sitting here, spinning down across East Tennessee, Southeast Kentucky in our region. Bottom line, it's going to keep a lid on the atmosphere this morning from anything being able to pop up in terms of showers or thunderstorms. But on the northern fringe of this high pressure, a bit of a weakness. We'll likely get some pop-up showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Best chance for that would really be, let's say, central Kentucky and points north. Kind of similar areas to yesterday, all because the location of this high pressure. On the outer edge of that high, you see how there's a blip or two of green down near Knoxville, a couple of more toward Nashville, another one if you look closely there near the Ohio River. That's not going to be exact location, but you'll notice around the edge of that high, you can get some pop-up storms. Directly underneath it, not going to happen. Now we work our way tomorrow. Watch this. We'll do it again. Now that high starts to weaken a bit more by Thursday, and I think by Thursday we start to work in a few more showers and storms. You'll see that as we take a look at the upper level pattern. This is the next big thing, part of it. The high starts to get weaker. See how we lose those purples and pink shades and it becomes more kind of darker orange and kind of shades of red? That's just an indication that that high is getting weaker. Hence, we are going to break that ridge down and have better storm chances as we go into the weekend and in the early part of next week. It starts even on Friday here. Scattered storms. Saturday, same story into Sunday. And even on Monday, I think we start to watch a cold front from the north approach Monday into next Tuesday. With that, I think those days we may have to tick up the rain chance even more. So the next two here, pop-up storms, highs, low to mid-90s. Feels like temperatures likely low 100s. So stay hydrated. I can't stress that enough. Take frequent breaks. And if you can, avoid long periods of time outdoors. Here come the better storm chances into the weekend and the start of next week. Still dry time, so no, you're not going to have to cancel outdoor plans for the pools.